Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to switch your TikTok account to business account. The first thing is open up your TikTok, then the next you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then click on the three lines at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, which is third option. Go to account, tap on it, then tap on switch to business account, tap on next, tap on next, tap on next. Now you choose the category. After choosing your category, click on next. Now you have to add an email to your profile to connect to customers directly. Now if you don't want to do that, just click on skip. You have to add your bio to your profile to let followers and potential customers know more about your business. If you don't want to do this, click on skip. And you're all set. Now you can access more tools to help grow your business and connect with your customers. You can visit the business suite by clicking on visit business suite. And that's all it takes. That's all it takes to switch your account to business account on TikTok.